Hello, I'm going to be blogging on food. Food. Okay, we're going puff. This I'm not going to open. We're just going to blog review. Puff. It is mango cream filled marshmallows, and it is bad for your health. Okay, next one. What will be this one? The poachy mango pudding, 100% vitamins and with 1% vitamins, and it only costs 6 pesos. But this is unhealthy. You're not supposed to eat this. It's bad for your health. And this one, I remember this one. I ate this one. This is good for your health. This chocolate. This is good. And then more review. Oh, also this one. Scratching book. Let's open this. Okay, you know what? This is also bad for your health. You are not supposed to eat this because this is bad, because this can scratch your brain and kill you. Look here. Scratch book. If you eat this, you will die. You will poop in the toilet and you will die. Scratch space art cards. No. Bad for your health. That's bad for your health, okay? Never do that. And also this one here, M&M's. No. This is good for your health. M&M's is good for your health. And this one is Jolly Bears. This is also good for your teeth. You should always eat this every day because this helps your teeth digest. Okay. Also, these others are also food that someone gave me. But we have nothing here else to review, but I will tell you some healthy foods and unhealthy foods you need to not eat. But this is a very short blog, so we'll just talk about what is the most unhealthy food and healthy foods. First, healthy food is chocolate bar. This cleans your teeth. And then the most unhealthy is broccoli, because broccoli, it will poison you because it is a tree. And for potato, it is healthy because it will make potato chips and it's healthy. But also we can make potatoes for potato hash brown, potato fries, and I don't know, and also potato chips, and also another unhealthy is orange. It will turn you into a orange. Your skin will turn into orange and you will look ugly. And healthy, one healthy one is it's going to be fried chicken. Fried chicken is healthy because it helps you be protein. Strong. And one unhealthy food is egg. Egg is unhealthy because it, even though it came from the protein chicken, but it got poop. So it basically means that you're eating their poop. So it's unhealthy. But another healthy one is soft drinks. Soft drinks is healthy because it cleans your food inside your tummy. But unhealthy drink is water because water is very, very cold and it came from the river. So many people pee on it. So many people even poop on the river and don't drink water because it's not clean. But another healthy food is bacon. Bacon is healthy because pigs are healthy. But one unhealthy is tomato. Tomato is unhealthy because it is blood from a pig. And then if you eat that, you will die and you will turn into a pig. But last healthy food is ballerina. It's healthy. Ballerina is healthy because you can ballerina all day and your legs will get skinny and you'll turn into chicken. Okay, bye.